everybody? Welcome back to another episode here in Sneak City. Don't forget, we are located in Seattle, Washington. If you guys are ever visiting the area, you got family, you got a wedding, you got whatever, make sure to come check us out.
We did bring in some of our personal shoes today. Chunky, size 7.5. Sean, size 7.5. Black Supreme SB.
We got the Del Sols and the Grinches. These, they run small. So I would definitely go up half a size if you guys are trying to copy for yourselves. We made that mistake, so now they're in here.
Another reminder, we are going to be at SneakerCon this weekend, August 21st, 22nd. So we will have a table there. Come say hi to us. We were going to have SneakerCon exclusive merch. We're going to be selling shoes. We're going to be buying shoes. We're going to be making a couple videos. Super excited to step away from the shop, have a little vacation, eat some good food down there, meet a lot of you guys. So yeah, we're super excited.
Yeah. Unfortunately, Moscow's not coming with us. I wish that we could bring him, but he's not allowed in there, so it'll just be our lovely faces. So make sure you guys come and say hi if you guys see us walking around. Come visit our booth. We've got Aaron working it for us. I know you guys have seen him on a couple videos. But anyway, let's see what deals we get into today, guys.
Let's do it.
How are you doing?
I'm good over myself.
Good. Just looking to sell or trade?
Sell.
Is this the older one or from the new?
The restock on August 2nd.
They've released so many of them. Like different models. Didn't they do like the black reflectives and everything too?
I saw what the list they had on e-supply compared to Adidas Confirmed. It was totally different.
Oh,
I was
really?
like, man, I was hoping to get some other stuff, but then I wasn't picked, so I was like, I just kept entering, and I was like, all the stuff I didn't want, I got, and then the stuff I wanted. It always works out that way.
Alright. 350 on these?
You do 370?
Do 360.
That's fine.
These just laced up?
Yeah, I just changed laces. Because I was going to wear them one day, but then I was like, I had second thoughts. I was like, no.
It does take away a lot of the value, even if you wear it once.
I know, so I was like, and I just sold the brown ones too, so I was like, you know what? I'll just sell them both.
650?
Did you use 660? That's fine. You said 360 for the weight limit, right?
These are DS.
I wore them like twice. I haven't worn them over like in 10 years.
Oh damn, you've had them that long.
Yeah, because I was in line at Goods when it came out.
What?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I think I was like in 6 in line, and then my friend was arguing with someone because there was like some shady backdoor deal because his girlfriend wanted like a size 5, and then yeah, you know how that goes.
Right. How much did you want on these?
At least 1,800. Because I saw you guys have a pretty beat pair for 22, so I was like,
Yeah, that pair's not selling.
yeah.
I'd be down for like 1250 on these.
15.
Nah, that'd be too much.
Okay, I'll pick them up then.
I just got 220 on these ones.
That's fine. Actually, you know what? I'll take those back. I'll just sell on StockX then.
Okay.
Because I know I can get at least retail plus tax. So.
These are new.
Yeah.
I'll probably just take these ones for 1520.
What's that?
I said I'll probably just take these 3 for 1520.
Okay.
In that deal, we bought these 3 pairs of shoes for a total of $1,520.
I want to sell some shoes, but I also need you guys like a rug.
What?
Yeah.
No way!
For a
Hell yes.
Dude, that is so freaking sweet.
So much.
Thank you so much.
I was just like stalking someone's making profile on Instagram. And
Really?
it's like,
She literally like 2 days ago, she's like, should we hit this person up and have him make us a rug?
I was gonna make the other logo, but then I saw this one from the
new
Moscow
anniversary
piece.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, I just did
This
this
is
one.
so cool. Thank you so much.
I'm so hyped. That's so cool.
That's awesome. Backwards. But it says Diced Out Rugs. IG is Diced Out Rugs.
Do you think you could make like the umbrella one?
Yeah, I can make
Yeah,
whatever.
I'm gonna hit you up for sure. That's so perfect. Thank you so much. That's
Yeah,
super
for sure.
thoughtful.
We can go print it.
She's like, it's going to our house.
Oh yeah. Can we do like 2 separate orders? Those ones are new. And then these ones. And then just these two on a different one.
Okay, these two together.
Yeah.
These ones are new.
Yeah.
How much did you want for both of these?
For this one, like payout, and then this one, I don't know, because they're used.
I mean, whatever you want, I'll do it with you. So just tell me numbers.
I know, these ones I wanted to keep, but I'm like,
I know, we got a 7.5 and she snatched it real quick.
really? I know, these are so nice. Do they like fade out? Like, do they rip off?
I think it rips off and there's like pink underneath.
Okay.
But I put my foot into it, it's super stiff and uncomfortable.
This one, 263 is fade out? Okay.
It's like 265.
This one. And this one.
Those are huge feet. Those
I know. I don't know.
I could do 190.
For these ones?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's good. Alright, yeah, that's fine.
That's good?
Yeah.
You make me stuff, I'll pay you whatever you want.
I guess it didn't matter.
These are both new, right?
Yeah. I just tried those out.
280 on these. And 310 on these.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Yes, yeah. In that deal, we bought these shoes for a total of $1,040.
It took me like a couple days. It took me like a couple days to actually like tuft it, and then like another day for it to glue and then like put it all together. If you guys want any custom rugs, I make them. Hit me up on IG, Diced Out Rugs. Just DM me.
I picked this one up from you, and then one more, maybe 3 times, 2-3 times.
Where'd you get this one?
From the Factoria shop that used to be in that, the one in Bellevue, that little shopping mall. Yeah. I'll show you the name. It's not so bad very well.
Yeah, they crease
Square.
pretty easily.
Yeah. So these get the Travis Smells the Fragments.
Yeah, I need those too.
It's a must.
We should do one on both.
These are picked up for like 2,700. I saw you good. These sell quick.
Yeah, these do so quick. I'd be down for like 7 on these. And these, I got
Maybe
like,
2,500 total.
I'd be close to like 21.
23.
You want store credit at all, or just cash?
Oh, you guys do store credit to in your system, not this.
Prefer if you use it today, it just gets messy and
Yeah, I
you
know.
hold it.
You can just do 23.
I could do 22.
These sell quick. I picked these up for 1,000 with you guys.
Yeah, that's me coming up to like 8 on these. So the margin is just.
Yeah, 2. Yeah, I'll do 2.
Do you guys still have any of your
I'm just gonna go buy Travis.
You're gonna go buy them right now?
Or just off stock it.
You're not gonna wait till they release? I feel like they're gonna drop more.
I don't think it'll drop.
You don't think?
The OG lows are 15, 16. I just don't see them being lower than that. Right?
I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till they actually.
I just don't want to wait.
Yeah. In that deal, we bought these 2 pre-owned pairs of shoes for a total of $2,200.
Just looking to sell these, make sure you haven't run any. Got them up for makers.
Good quarantine break. Do a little party.
It's really
Just some browns.
That's okay.
It's
So,
a-
I mean, Cash 170, store credit 200. And then these I can cash 160, store credit 190.
90, so 300 store credit.
Yep.
Is it cool if I look around for a little bit?
Looking to sell.
Possibly trade too. I love it here. I love it here. $2,000. I was at a store, they used it as a door stopper. I'm not even joking, they used it as a door stopper. With a box. Look at the fade. My box does that too. Under the lid, under the flap. It's just, yeah. So this must have been stacked. I know we did.
Yeah, like 180 store credit on these, and then 170 store credit on these. Cash wise, 150. Cash wise, 160.
What about these?
I'll pass. They just have that paint chip on there.
Okay. Can I take a look around?
Yeah.
Thank you. For cash?
160.
160. I'll just do that.
Okay. There you go.
Big old small.
Sweet. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a
No.
good weekend.
I'll think so.
And that deal, we bought his Fusion Red Jordan 1s for $160.
I tried these on a couple times.
Where'd you get these ones?
Huh?
Where'd you get them?
Oh, these are.
Yeah, these ones are looking a little off to me.
They are.
Collar up here is super thick. They smell pretty like chemically. And then this should have the sticker inside, the green and white sticker inside the box. And I'm not seeing it.
Yeah, these are like the first drinks I bought.
We'll try to hit up the person we bought them from and see if we can get a refund.
Alright.
And then we'll probably just hold off on these ones too.
Alright.
Y'all ready for a little recap?
Woo, busy day today.
Busy.
Lots of visitors.
Alright. We got some heaters in here. Where should we start? Well, as we said in the beginning of this video, we are getting rid of some of our pairs. So, Grinches, Del Sols. We've got these aren't ours, but size 9, City Market, Dunk.
Legend Blues, 2001 Royals, 2010 Cherries, 2010 Flints. Got some good pairs in today.
We've got reverse shattered backboard, size 11, pre-owned, super clean though. This is one of Tia's favorite pairs. We love them.
Dead stock pair, Black Cement 3, size 7Y. Really clean pair of Stussy SBs. These are in a size 10. Super clean on these guys. Beautiful, beautiful king.
Beautiful shoe. I wish ours still looked like that. We have a Off-White MCA Air Force 1 and a size 11. These are pre-owned.
Got some brand new Travis Scott highs, size 12.
A couple other older pairs, some 2001 Cool Grays and Columbia Jordan 11s. These are both size 10 and both brand new.
All right, guys, do not forget, we are gonna be at SneakerCon. We're super excited.
We'll vlog the whole thing for you guys. We'll have some cool stuff to show you.
Don't forget, you can find all this stuff on our website. Oh, one more. This one's cool.
She says, hold on. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. We gotta show you this pair.
Dornbecker Jordan 1, brand new. Crazy. What is this? Size 9.5. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for today's episode. Gonna go home, watch the game, barbecue, enjoy our night. I hope you guys enjoy your night, get some good food, and we'll see you guys next time. We out.